If you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in Valorant, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow these steps to get back into the game. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Valorant server status page to ensure that the servers are up and running. If there are ongoing maintenance or outages, you may need to wait until they are resolved. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Valorant completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can clear temporary glitches that cause loading issues. Step 3. Update your game. Ensure that you have the latest version of Valorant installed. Open the Riot client and check for any available updates. Download and install any updates before trying to launch the game again. Step 4. Verify game files. Open the Riot client, go to Valorant, and select the option to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can help resolve loading issues. Step 5. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Make sure that your firewall or antivirus software is not blocking Valorant. Add Valorant and the Riot client to the exceptions list to allow them to connect to the internet without restrictions. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the loading screen issue in Valorant. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Valorant support for further assistance.